is her bag. It's stuck in my hair. It's stuck in my hair.
Wait, this is my camera. Oh, this is my bag.
Ooh.
We should go. Come on, Sky
Okay.
and Annika.
We're gonna do a threesome.
I have to like hit up my
What's
fingers.
your hair, lady?
Come on, somebody get
So cold.
up.
That sucks.
Right, wait.
Does this have says Zoom? Oh yeah. Let's go down straight this time.
You want to go inside and like download the movie?
Okay.
Let's go yeah, that's good.
Oh, you guys, wait, I'm gonna try this way.
We should go this way.
Doggies.
She's an angel. Oh my gosh, I need to make like a snow angel.
So cold.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, this is for Brazil?
Yeah.
Hi, Brazil.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, chicas.
It's not Spanish.
Oh.
What do you, how do you say? Portuguese.
How do you say, what's up, boy? How do you say,
Say.
call me?
Say, oi, pessoal.
Oi, pessoal.
Okay, pessoal.
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 Oi, pessoal. Is that right?
How do you say call me?
What?
Call me?
Me liga.
Me liga. How do you... Facebook.
Facebook. MySpace. MySpace.
Oh, Facebook.
It's Orkut.
Orkut.
What's Orkut?
Orkut. Chappy.
Orkut. She's from Germany.
What? Soy del Germany. I mean...
Soy de Alemania.
Oh, my head hurts. My hands are so cold.
Viven en Berlin. Un capital.
Give me space. Give me space.
Let me...
I need to know.
I want to make it noise. Hang on, let me get it from a better angle.
The light's not very good. Let's go slide on the road.
One.
Wait, it's blurry. Okay, go. Anna, sledding. Wait. Look at the star. Oh, you can't see the stars. I think we have some snow angel making going on. Snow angel. What are you guys doing?
Nothing. Just getting a little down and dirty.
Whoa, snowball!
Waterproof. What a beautiful angle.
Beautiful angle.
Angel.
Well, I want to see a snow throwdown.
Here's a fart. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't do
I don't know what's going on.
Gosh. Oh my gosh, you just throw that in your garage.
So? Oh, sneak attack!
You got me.
And the
I'm gonna die.
Oh, dang it. Everybody get...
I don't have gloves. I'm smart. Ah!
Give her a whitewash.
No. Okay, you can stop if you want.
Okay. Bye, Brazil.